G'day everyone, this is the sound demo for the Do-It-Yourself Guitar Pedals Night Drive, which is a Love Pedal Eternity inspired build. It's a 1590A sized PCB, so you can fit it into a 1590A enclosure pretty easily. If you want one, go to my web store. I've got the PCBs there. I've used a 500k pot on the drive, so there's tons of drive. And as I mentioned at the end of the build report, the LED is actually, I made a huge mistake with it and it doesn't work. So when it's on, you're not going to be able to see it, but you'll definitely be able to hear it. So you got volume, tone, and drive. Let's hear what it sounds like. So that just confirms my love for this pedal, pun intended. It remains one of my favourite overdrives, yeah, hope you liked it, hope you liked the sound demo. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.